Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about what is cybercrime and how to protect yourself from cybercrime. First of all, what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is criminal activity that either targets or uses a computer network, or a network devices. Most cybercrime is committed by cyber criminals or hackers who want to make money. However, occasionally cybercrimes aims to damage computers or networks for reasons other than profit. Now, what are the types of cybercrimes? There are so many types. First, email or internet fraud, identity fraud, theft of financial or card payment data, theft of sale of corporate data, and many others are under this. After that, there are two types of following cybercrimes are involved. First is cyber activity targeting computers using viruses and other types of malware. Cyber activity using computers to commit other crimes. Now, what are the examples of cybercrime? First is malware attacks. A malware attack is where a computer system or network is infected with a computer virus or other type of malware. A computer comprised by malware could be used by cyber criminals for several purposes. These include stealing confidential data, using the computer to carry out other criminal acts, or causing data, etc. Second is phishing. A phishing campaign is when spam emails or other forms of communication are sent with the intention of tricking recipients into doing something that undermines their security. Now, what are the disputed DOS attacks? Disputed DOS attacks are a type of cybercrime attack that cyber criminals use to bring down a system or a network, sometimes connected to IoT used of launch DOS are attacks. Now, impact of cybercrimes. Generally, cybercrime is on the rise. According to Accenture State of Cybersecurity Reliance 2021 reports talk about security attacks increased 31% from 2020 to 2021, and the number of attacks per company increased from 201 to 270 per year. Now, what reports are how to report a cybercrime? First, we have to report a cybercrime in a report, file a report with the Internet Crime Complaint Center as soon as possible. Second, contact action fraud as soon as possible. These are the things come under cybercrime. Now, how you protect yourself from cybercrime? Keep your software and operating system updated, or use antivirus software and keep it updated. Use strong passwords. Never open attachments in spam emails. Do not click on links in spam emails or untrusted websites. Do not give out personal information unless secure. Contact companies directly about suspicious requests. Be mindful which website URL you visit. Keep an eye on your bank statements. This is all about this topic. If any of the queries regarding this, then please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.